Hey everyone! In this video I will show you how to change a color of element in Canva. So first of all, go to Elements, and take any element. For example, I take this car. Now at the top, you can see colors. Click on it to open color menu. When you click, at the left side you can see color menu. Select any color. As you can see, it changes the color of part of a car. One thing is important to remember, that if you stuck this kind of case, so simply delete it. And import it again. Then again select color. Now, before selecting color, click on car. Then select color. Now, as you can see, this time it works well. Now if you have any element in Canva which does not support color changing like previous method, like this car. Or you have element which is out of from Canva. If you element inside the Canva, so click on share. Then click on download. Remember that file type is PNG as suggested by Canva. So download it and upload it in Canva. I have already uploaded it. If you have element from another source, then you also need to upload it in Canva first. Now, import it. And click on edit photo. Then from here click on adjust. Scroll down until you find color edit with your element image. My car is red and my background is blank, so it is showing only red color. If your element contains more colors, or your background is colorful, then it will show you all colors in your image contain. Now, click on color. And you can change color by first option. By second option you can adjust saturation of color which you selected. By third option you can adjust brightness. That's it. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you have any question, feel free to write in the comment section. See you in the next video. Goodbye.